feathers, bones, husks. Where does all this go if birds cannot digest it but feed on food that contains it? The answer is pellets. In ornithology, a pellet is a mass of undigested parts of a bird's food that some bird species occasionally regurgitate. That is, if we consider herbivores and carnivores, herbivore birds are going to have pellets that consist of seashells, fruit pits, plant fiber, and other plant-based matter. Meanwhile, carnivores are going to have pellets that contain bones, feathers, fur, teeth, claws, and other types of things. Almost all of the birds have stomachs divided into two parts, proventriculus and gizzard. The first part is glandular stomach, or proventriculus, which produces enzymes and acids that begin the process of digestion. Soft tissues are digested, while undigestible parts move into the gizzard. The second part, which is muscular stomach or gizzard, uses strong muscles to compress those hard particles into a tight, solid pellet. That's the way pellets are formed within 6 to 10 hours of a meal in a bird's gizzard. So the passing of pellet allows a bird to remove that non-nutritious material from its body. In birds of prey, such as hawks or owls, the regurgitation of pellets serves a bird's health in another way, by scouring the digestive tract, including the gullet or esophagus. To conclude, pellets might be very useful, especially in scientific analysis for studying a bird's diet, understanding ecosystems, or tracking prey populations. I hope this video helps to understand the nature of pellets and dive into environmental science a little bit more. Thank you for your attention.